Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy V-Bucks with vanilla gift card. Let's begin. So it says here, wondering how to snag some V-Bucks with a Visa gift card, you've landed in the right spot. So you've got a Visa gift card and you're ready to dive into Fortnite's countless skins and emotes. So we're going to go to the heading here where it says buying V-Bucks made easy. First things first, make sure your Visa gift card, which is vanilla gift card, is ready for online purchases. Some cards require you to activate them or register them on a specific website before use. Second thing to do is you need to head over to Fortnite, so you'll open it, then go and buy the V-Bucks directly in the game or through the Epic Games website. So you're going to choose the amount of V-Bucks you want, then proceed to the payment and select the Visa option. Because remember that the vanilla gift card is also Visa compatible. Enter your gift card details as you would with the regular Visa card. It's as simple as that. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you and I'll see you in the next one.